Okay guys, so wanted to show you what I'm into today here. So got the old this is a gasser Highboy, nothing wrong with that. But we're getting a big snowstorm tomorrow, and I just go down the road here, and we've run into a little bit of a problem. So if I can get this camera angled right here to show you guys. But you can see the clutch rod back there. I'm not sure if you can see it behind the wires, but the top of the clutch rod has busted right at the 90-degree where it goes in and hitches onto the swing arm underneath your dashboard. So I'm gonna have to fix that. So I'm gonna take this rod out of here and excuse me, we'll weld her up, and I'll show you that as I make progress. Okay, so oops, sorry. So I've dropped this rod, and you can see that's supposed to be a 90-degree angle. Was going down the road. I had just adjusted the clutch, which, you know, the clutch needed adjusted, and adjusted her up and heard a pop, and she gave out. So I'm gonna bend this back down where it goes, put a good bead of weld on it, and we'll put it back in the truck here. Okay. Alright, got the welder fired up here. And I'm just gonna do a little tack. More than a little tack, but we'll go around the brake there. I've already cleaned it with some sandpaper. And we'll put it back in the truck. Too crazy and make the weld be in the way of the actual see if I can get you guys over here where you can see me a little better. See if we get a tack right here. Not too bad, actually. Kind of like it. I like it. Now, get some around the back here where it was weak. Well, if you can see that or not, but much better, much better. Now we're going to take a trip to the hardware store, get a couple good heavy cotter pins. I think I might put a tack right there too, just for when we're standing on that plowing snow. The clutch is going to get a workout, huh? Good enough. Yeah, I like it. Okay, we'll go get some cotter pins, and hopefully we'll be driving here.